So you're here. I was so afraid that something happened to you. Thankfully, you're not wounded. If you brought me something, why didn't you call out to me? Come to the pine grove near the river before sunset.
You came to your horse right after you woke up, Akçaa Hatun?
Like you love Karabey, I love my horse too, Bey.
Thankfully, you're up and about. You shielded my sister, Gever, with your body. Thank you. I am grateful.
Don't thank me, Bey. Clearly, you shielded everyone in the end and saved all our lives. In fact, I am grateful. I already had a life debt to you. Now I have two. I'm going indoors. Akunai Anna must be awake. She'll be worried about me.
You should rest well, so that you'll heal.